Khamagani Jaipur, Namaste Bharat. A spectacular evening, a historic milestone, and an unforgettable celebration. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the grand 25th year of Nexa IFA Awards 2025, Jaipur, co-powered by Shobha Realty. 25 years ago, when the legend Amitabh Bachchan flagged off the first ever IFA, he said, and I quote, "On 3rd May 1913, when Dada Saheb Phalke, the father of Indian cinema, switched on the projector's arc light, I wonder whether he knew that he had switched on the sun on the Indian film industry." That very sun, ladies and gentlemen, became the inspiration for the IFA trophy. And today, as we celebrate 25 glorious years, I can say with conviction कि आज 25 साल बाद भी ये सूरज वही रोशनी दे रहा है हमारे सपनों को, हमारे इमोशंस को, हमारी कहानियों को. Cinema is and will always be our forever shining sun. For me, IFA की victory एक personal victory है. My father, Shri Yash Johar, was a mentor to IFA's co-founders Andre Timmins, Virav Sarkari and Sabas Joseph. उन्होंने IFA की सोच को पूरी शिद्दत के साथ सपोर्ट किया और इस तरह इन्वॉल्व हुए कि मानो ये उनके खुद का अवार्ड शो है. इसलिए आज जब मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ तो ये सिर्फ एक स्टेज नहीं, ये मेरा घर है. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my home. In the last 24 years, IFA की स्टोरी भी किसी ब्लॉकबस्टर से कम नहीं है. IFA ने ग्लोबली इंडियन सिनेमा को नई बुलंदियों पर पहुंचाया है. It built cultural bridges, forged treaties between Indian filmmakers and global markets, unlocked subsidies and opened doors to new storytelling landscapes. Tonight, as we celebrate the best of the best, let's all raise a toast to the dreamers who dared, to the artists who created, to the audience who loved, to the pioneers and the guiding light of IFA. A special mention to legends like Yash Johar, J.P. Datta, Shabana Azmi, Vinod Khanna, Ramesh Sippy, Pehlaj Nihalani, David Dhawan, Manmohan Shetty. Their wisdom and belief gave IFA the wings to soar. We thank you all. Thank you. जैसे हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मेक इन इंडिया के साथ देश को विकसित बनाने का सपना देखा है, वैसे ही 25 सालों बाद पहले IFA ने इंडियन सिनेमा को ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पर एक नई ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाया और आगे भी पहुंचाता रहेगा. IFA is definitely a global force with an Indian heart. IFA is made in India, for India, by India, and loved by the world. I feel privileged to share with you that on this momentous occasion, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has sent a message to us. Now I'm going to read his letter for all of you. We're very honored that he has sent us this letter. I'm going to read it out. And I quote, "I am pleased to learn about the 25th edition of International Indian Film Academy IFA Awards. This 2.5-decade journey reflects the commitment of all those who have contributed towards making IFA a truly global phenomenon. Producers, directors, artists, musicians, technicians, and other industry professionals, and most importantly, audiences worldwide. Cinema is one of India's most powerful storytelling mediums, offering the world a glimpse into our rich heritage, diverse culture, and evolving societal landscape. Through its grandeur, depth, and artistic brilliance, Indian cinema has captivated global audiences, becoming a vehicle of India's rich storytelling traditions and serving as a bridge between cultures. Over the years, IFA has not only celebrated the best of Indian cinema, but has also played a crucial role in spreading its vibrancy to various iconic cities of the world. This has helped introduce the magic of Indian cinema to newer audiences while reinforcing India's standing as a powerhouse of artistic excellence. We have consistently worked to support and promote the film industry and will continue to do so. The recognition of cinema as a vital cultural export of our nation has led to policies that encourage and support the industry. The last few years have witnessed remarkable growth in Indian cinema. Our film industry across various languages has expanded its reach, with Indian films receiving unprecedented recognition at international festivals and achieving record-breaking commercial success worldwide. With advancements in digital technology, Indian content has reached audiences across continents, further strengthening the appeal of our cinema and stories. Platforms like IFA Awards ensure that such cinematic brilliance is celebrated and encouraged. IFA has always played a role in nurturing young and aspiring talent in the industry by providing a platform where new artists, filmmakers, and technicians can showcase their craft alongside seasonal global professionals. IFA